Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to remove the deactivated accounts from your followers list, then this video is for you. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can remove the deactivated accounts from your followers. So first of all, open your Instagram app in your phone and just tap on this profile icon in the right bottom corner. Now tap on your followers list here and you can see there is a section categories. In the categories section, you can find out the deactivated accounts. Just tap on this. Now here you can find all the list of your deactivated followers list. So if you want to remove this account from your followers list, just tap on this remove and it will remove from your followers. So this is how you can remove the deactivated accounts from your followers. So if you think this video is helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.